Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the NYX Glitter Brilliants glitter in the shade 06. And then we're going to be using the NYX Glitter Primer to apply the glitter. We've already done our foundation, our contour, our highlighter, and our eyebrows, and our lips. So we're just going to be doing a eye look, and then we're going to be adding some of the glitter. I'm sorry, but I have got to get rid of this glitter. I just am not a fan. I'm just gonna... And it's hard to get off. Like, seriously hard to get off. That's the glue for you. I'm just gonna leave, like, a very small bit. It is like so hard to get off. It hurts. It feels like sandpaper. Oh my god. Ah! This is like slippery. This was horrible. This is horrible. Somebody likes it. That's the one. I ain't gonna like it when it comes off. That's why I'm just gonna leave it on. Ow. And now I'm gonna go in and redo all my eyeshadow I just did. Fun. I think I messed it up, but whatever. I'm gonna go back in. She's gonna touch up her eyeshadow, and we're gonna put on our lashes again. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna have to put a little bit more of this on. You wanna use this brush to do your glue too? So yeah. Holy moly, I probably should have put it on like before I did the glitter and then did the nose with the glitter. Yeah, it is. Ooh, that was way too much. Wait, is this the brush you were using? I don't know. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's the one I was using over there. Yeah. Let's see what this does. Holy crap. Oh, look like a drag queen. Holy crap, this is really glittery. Obviously, it's glitter. It's definitely glitter. Yeah, you're telling me. I kinda like it. Honestly, it's not bad. I'm gonna spray this with some setting spray just to see what it does. I'm scared to open my eye. Holy shit. Definitely not the look I was going for, but It looks bad A in the mirror though. Look in the mirror. Looks really good. Okay, I'm pretty sure the glue has dried on this side. So I'd recommend that you put the glue on, then put the glitter, then put the glue, then put the glitter. Don't put glue on both sides and then go in. You need to, because it will dry quickly. You know, it would actually be really pretty, like the look you were kind of going for. If you did like a thin line and just went like that, zzz, around, that would have been fucking pretty as fuck. That would have been way better. I'm gonna try to Eva.
I'm tryna fuck you and your bestie, yeah. Chopper with the skull, so do not test me, yeah.
Eva. I don't think this stuff blends. It's literally not moving. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just leave it for a second. And you literally have to pat this on. You cannot just swipe. You have to pat. Because if you swipe, you will get it everywhere. I promise you. Should I just go? I was just gonna be like, what the hell? We were going for a drag look today. This camera literally doesn't know justice. Like in the mirror, it looks way more bomb. Okay. Oh, I got it on my lips. Like I need more bronzer with all this eyeshadow on. Okay, I'm gonna try and sweep this off. So we'll see if it works. Not really, but it's not that bad. It could be worse. I think some glitters are probably worse. I don't like it. Okay, let's do this mascara. I'm not doing anything else. Okay, we'll be right back. I gotta do some lashes. Peace. Okay, she's about to put my lashes on for the first time ever. I don't do lashes.
Right.
What do I sit here like this?
Ooh, this is pretty.
Don't move. I'm scared. I feel like a bat's on my eye.
A bat. Okay, hold on 1 second.
If I get addicted to these, I'm gonna be so ticked.
You will. Best believe. Here, let me see. Let me look at you. Hold up.
No, something's not right.
Yeah, the glue dried up. Okay.
Ah!
Take two. I'm about tired of these tweezers, bro. I ain't playing with you. Close.
Damn, I think I just threw away my lash glue too I had. I don't even know why, because I never had lashes and I threw away. Now I get them.
Okay, go ahead.
Open.
Yep. Dang. Perfect
like
on the
'em.
first try. See, now they match your bottom lashes.
Yeah, they do. Oh, I really like these.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I feel way better with lashes.
I'm telling you.
Great. Now I just got a new addiction.
Changes your life. Let me see. Make sure they're in the middle. Yeah, good. Yeah, they're perfect.
Boom.
Alright, well.
I think this one was a. It was okay.
Oh, your eyeshadow looks good too. With the red.
The glitter is like, I give the glitter, personally, I give glitter like, I don't care what kind of glitter it is, like a 1. I don't really
Every
like
glitter.
I really don't like glitter, but like this, if you want like some hardcore glitter, that NYX is the way to go. I'll tell you that. Oh, and if you want to know what
It's
kind of
really
lipstick
pretty
I'm
too,
using,
and it looks very holographic-y. And yeah,
this is the lipstick I have on.
it's the cat suit, liquid cat suit, Wet and Wild from DG.
It's pretty good.
It really is. So yeah. And also, do not forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, and we will put everything in the description below. See you later. Love
Peace.
ya. That's it for today. We used the Ace Beautê palette and the Athena Bad Habit palette, the NYX glitter, and the holographic color, which is like 06, and the NYX glitter primer. And it was pretty good. It's beautiful. It looks great on the eyes. If you try and take it off, it feels like you're scraping your eyelid off. But other than that, it's pretty good. And this is our look.